Welcome back, drinks fans. I am Steve the Barman, and I'm all about giving you fun cocktail inspiration to help you make better drinks in your home bars. Today's video, this is video 3 in my vodka series. I've been flipping up a vodka, your classic favourite vodka cocktails, and doing what I do best and giving you inspiration, fun little flips and twists. In this video, I'm going to be flipping up the Appletini. I'm going to be flipping up the Bali Trader, which is kind of an old school sort of green martini. I'm going to be flipping up the Seabreeze. As always, a little bit of housekeeping. If you like me, if you like the video, if you love what I'm doing, smash that like button, give me a big old like. There obviously will be chapters at the bottom of this, so you can scrub to your favourite cocktails as well, so you don't have to watch the whole thing if you don't want to, but I'd urge you to, because it's a laugh and a giggle in it. And then the third thing to kind of tell you is obviously the recipes will be below in the description, so go and check them out. And also, as we're going along, let me know in the comments which one is your favourite one. So cocktail number 1, the Appletini. We're going to kind of give it kind of like a little adult twist. This is not too far off the wall compared to a couple of the previous cocktails I've done, but it still is a little bit different. So we're obviously going to make this in a cocktail shaker. The Appletini is just, you know, there's so many different ways that people have made the Appletini, whether it's apple vodka and vermouth in the old school days, whether it's normal vodka and apple juice and a bit of citrus in there. So there's no, even though there's quite a few recipes out there, I don't think there's really a go-to. Obviously, the original recipe when it was kind of created was proper old school martini with vermouth, but in this day and age there isn't really a definitive Appletini recipe. So I'm going to do an apple and elderflower martini for you. It's a very, very easy one, this. We're going with our favourite sort of plain vodka. Now you notice I have got apple vodka up there. You could go even more apple if you wanted to and use an apple vodka, or you could use, before I knock that down, you could use a plain vodka and now even add some apple liqueur. That is my apple, isn't it? Not my mint. Yeah, it's my apple. So you could go that way as well. I'm just going to go plain vodka for this because I want kind of the elderflower to shine through a little bit. So I'm going 60ml, 2 ounces of plain vodka. 10 and 50. Here we go. Right, now with this, the second ingredient number 2, I'm going for my favourite amazing elderflower liqueur. It's quite recent to my little back bar, Giffard's Posh Elderflower. This is, oh, so good for me. Way better than Saint-Germain. Love it. 15ml, half an ounce of your elderflower liqueur. Now, obviously, this will translate if you want to do like apple and blackberry or apple and, I don't know, give me some other suggestions. What we got? Apple and pineapple, apple and apricot. Well, if you fancy, just swap out and put your different liqueur in there. I'm now going for some pressed apple juice, or as we say in the US, cider. Apple cider, that's right, isn't it? Apple cider. For us normal people though, it is obviously pressed apple juice. And I matched the base spirit, so I'm going 60ml of this. So it's 10 and then another 50. There we go. So 60ml of that. And then I'm just going to do the standard thing with some freshly squeezed lemon juice. 15ml, half an ounce of lemon juice. And then just because that apple juice is not that sweet, I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar. Obviously, if you are using sweeter apple vodka or the sour apple liqueur, they are obviously a bit sweeter. I haven't got that. The only sweetness I've got in there at the moment is the elderflower. So I'm going to add half an ounce of sugar syrup. Gone. There we go. Now, I do this a little bit with Cosmos. I don't like it being all flat and lifeless and stuff. So I'm actually going to, I'm just going to add some foamers. That's all. Not, you know, I'm not doing it. I'm just doing it because I like that white sort of frothy head on top. So I'm just going to add some, little bit of foamers on there. No need to double strain. So I'm just going to, if I can find my ice scoop, I'm just going to ice this up now. Okay. Completely fill your shaker with ice. I've got Whopper, proper. Look at the size of these ice cubes now. Proper Whoppers. Look at them, 3cm cubes. Massive. Right, hard and fast shake, 10-12 seconds. Okay, give it some proper welly. Right then, pop that out. Say very uncomplicated this one, but it tastes so good. I'm going to serve this up in a coupe glass, and I'm going to double strain. Here we go, double strain. Look, see, it will settle, but you'll just get this lovely sort of white froth on top, white foam. I kind of like that, to be fair. So you don't have to if you don't want to. I just think it looks cool. I just really do. Better than this kind of lifeless sort of liquid that you've got going on there. Now, garnish wise, if you're going to be all fancy, nice little apple fan, that'll be awesome, wouldn't it? But I'm just going little sprig of mint. I think that's even too big. I'm just going for a little sprig of mint, elderflower, mint and apple obviously works. Here we go. So that's kind of flipping up the Appletini. We've kind of turned it into an apple and elderflower martini. Not rocket science that at all, but for me, that little bit of elderflower liqueur, it's really vibrant. And you can kind of see it sort of settling now there. I really, really like that. I actually think that using an apple vodka would have been overkill, if you like, but have a little play. If you've got apple vodka, use it. Right. Oh, that's delicious. That is delicious. Not overly sweet as well. Right then, cocktail number 2. This is kind of a fun one. The Bali Trader. The Bali Trader is traditionally vodka, green pineapple, green banana liqueur, pisang ambon. I think they still do that around the world. It's kind of bowls, green banana liqueur. Not so much seen in the UK, to be fair. So vodka, green banana liqueur, and pineapple juice, and it's kind of this green martini. But I'm going to kind of flip it on its head for you. So I'm going from a martini, and I'm going to serve it up in a highball glass. I'm turning the Bali Trader into a highball, but with a couple of different ingredients. So we're going cocktail shaker time again. Obviously, I don't have green banana liqueur, but whatever you fancy. Now, the first flip I'm going to do is mango vodka, because I think mango and banana, mango and pineapple works really, really well. So I'm sticking to ounces. I'm really getting used to ounces and the whole sort of 60ml. I think that works better. The extra 10ml works better in cocktails. So I'm going 60ml, 2 ounces of mango vodka. It's absolute in there. Now the banana that I use is absolutely tremendous. I love it. If I can see it, there we go. Giffard's Posh Banana du Brazil. I could just stick a straw in that. It's so super vibrant. Absolutely love that. Right, I'm just going 15ml, half an ounce. Okay. I haven't seen pisang ambon in the UK for donkey's years. God, I used to have it 2005 behind my bar. And it didn't last that long because I couldn't get any more of it. But yeah, it was great. It's just green banana. It tastes no different. It's just like banana liqueur, but it's just green. Now, I kind of want to stick to the whole green thing. So I'm going to crack out, if I can see it, it's there hiding. I'm going to crack out. I was thinking Midori, but that would take it melon. So instead, I'm going to kind of just do 5ml, not too much, just 5ml of blue curacao. There we go. And we'll kind of take it into this kind of nice green colour once I've done. Now there's a couple more ingredients. One comes before the shake. I'm just going for a little bit of lime juice, not too much, 10ml, a third of an ounce, because there's no, the sweetness is going to come from the mixer in this, which is not pineapple juice. So I kind of, I just, you know, it doesn't have to be sweet and fun and fruity like that. It can just be good flavours and fun and fruity. Right. Top your cocktail shaker up with ice. Remember to smash that like button if you're loving this. Let me know, also in the comments, let me know your kind of favourite vodka cocktails. I think I've got a big long list coming. It's easily another 3 videos, easily. But if I've missed any, drop me your favourite vodka cocktails in the comments, and hopefully we might be able to see more that I've missed. Right, I'm just going to shake this down. Good, hard, fast shake. Right, this is nice electric blue in colour. Pop that to one side. Now, the mixer, the pineapple I'm come for. I haven't rocked this out for ages. Old Jamaica's pineapple soda. There'll be pineapple sodas all around the world. This is kind of, not sweet, but it's not soda water in a traditional sense. It's kind of soda water. It's kind of got the sweetness of like Fanta and things like that. That's what I'm trying to get at. Right. I'm going 75ml of this. Nice and fizzy. There you go, 50. I'm pouring it into glass so I don't have to stir it. Pouring it into the shaker so I don't have to stir it again. Now, I'm going to be, because I've got some nice ice cubes, I'm going to do this all properly. My nice whoppers of an ice cube, one more. And I'm going to strain this. This is my Bali Trader Highball. Almost the same sort of colour. There we go. Let's get rid of that ice cube. And now I'm just going to top it up with crushed ice. Just another bit of crushed ice. There we go, bit of crushed ice. And then just to garnish this, I need to get another pineapple, but I've used the leaves. I've got a pineapple wedge. That'll do for now. And there we go. It's the Bali Trader kind of highball pimped up. All right, let's revive the Bali Trader because it was a quality drink. You know, vodka, pineapple, and banana, obviously. And if you're watching this and you see a funny cut there, as I pulled that up, I thought I'd put the vodka in that. I'm thinking that vodka. I completely forgot I used the mango vodka, didn't I? So we've got mango vodka in there, banana, a little bit of blue just to turn it green, and then pineapple soda. Bali Trader Highball. So much fun. So say, it is not overly sweet. You could sweeten up, you could put a little bit of sugar in there, but I don't think you need to. I think that soda, and it depends what pineapple soda you use, I think that soda smashes it. It's really good. The Bali Trader Highball. Amazing. Right, number 3. Let's put that to one side. Number 3, this is going to be fun. This is kind of going along the lines of the Moscow Mule Martini that I did in the first video. I'm taking a highball and turning it into a martini, and I'm going to do the Seabreeze martini. The Seabreeze is obviously vodka, cranberry juice, and grapefruit. So I'm sticking with those three flavours. So, cocktail shaker. I'm going plain vodka for this one. I was thinking, you know, you could go grapefruit vodka. I haven't got any grapefruit vodka here. I've got grapefruit bitters, which I might rock out in a second. But Absolute do I think they still do it, Ruby Red, the grapefruit vodka. So you kind of go there. I'm going 60 ml. I'm going to stick with the whole 2 ounces things. 60 ml double bubble, 2 ounces, 10 and 50. There we go, of your vodka. Now, instead of cranberry juice, I'm going cranberry liqueur. And I've seen cranberry liqueurs around the world. You might not be able to get this one because this is very local to me, actually. Two Brothers uses American US cranberries in there. But I'm sure you get other cranberry liqueurs all around the world. Cranberry liqueur, I'm going 15 ml, half an ounce of cranberry liqueur. There we go, perfect. Now, I am going for, I'm still going to have grapefruit juice, but I'm not going to do what we would do in the UK. In the UK, and traditionally use grapefruit juice out of a carton. And so I'm going to, you know, posh bars wouldn't, but people at home would. I'm going to do, I'm going to freshly squeeze this. And I've got ruby. We really struggle to get yellow or white grapefruits in the UK. So I'm just going to squeeze this and get me. How much do I want? I've forgotten how much I want. I want 30 ml of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. I think, do you know what? That might be good. Along with that, so we'll see. 30 ml of grapefruit juice. This is where it all falls out and not comes out there, doesn't it? Right, let's do that. Innit? Right, 30 ml. We'll get 30 ml out of this. Yeah, look at that. 30 ml. Oh, and a bit more. Right. There we go. Let's just pop that to one side. And for this, I think I'm just going to do a little taste test. I think I'm going to need a bit of sugar. Yeah, not too much. Not too much. I'm going 10 ml. Third of an ounce of sugar syrup. 10 ml. I think that'll be perfect, just to kind of balance that up. There. Right then. Icy up time, so let's completely fill this with ice, and we're going to give it a good old couple more. There we go. Good old shake. Let's use this one again. There we go. That'll do it. Lovely. Right, hard fast shake. 10 to 12 seconds. All right, ready, go. Right then, pop that out. Pop that. It's asking for trouble, isn't it? Nick and Nora time. Here it is, got my tall Nick and Nora. Now, going grapefruit bitters. Complete with little spritz cap on. Come on, there we go. Right, so I've got my grapefruit bitters there, and I'm just going to do what I love doing. You could do it over the top of the cocktail if you want. I'm just going to spritz the inside of the glass a couple of times. There we go. Oh, lovely sort of grapefruit notes going on in there. Love the whole spritz thing. Now I'm just going to double strain, and this is my Seabreeze Martini. Look at that. Look at that. Garnish for this. There you go. I don't know. I did get one of those ready. Little sort of lemon. Oh, that is stunning. Oh, that's just like juice. Do you know what? Grapefruit is not one of my favourite flavours. It's not something I would go for. That, and then, do you know what? I'm just thinking back to Captain Morgan grapefruit rum that I did before Christmas. That blew me away as well. That, perfectly bad. The cranberry liqueur, the grapefruit, that is amazing. Really, really love that. Right then, comments. Let me know your favourite. Let me know your vodka cocktails. Don't forget to smash that like button as well if you love this. Hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any of my future content. And I will see you when I'm doing part 4, which I'm filming right now. See you soon.